Hey guys, how you guys doing? Once again, compliments of the season. So how is your kitchen doing there? How are you preparing for the new year? This is how we are preparing our own new year over here. Welcome to our kitchen once again. So here we are making, how will I call it, tomato chicken stew. This is on another level. I told you 2020 is gonna be a 2021 is gonna be a great year, so we are preparing to enter 2021 big. So I am taking my cooking to another level, guys. So here I have a combination of tomatoes. I have combination of tomatoes here, tatashe, red bell pepper, tomatoes, even green pepper. Yeah, you heard me right. I added some about 4 to 5 of green pepper. I'll be blending it together with my tomato. Guys, try it, just try it, and you will thank me later. I am adding all these onions. I've not washed it. I'm gonna add all these onions to my tomato to blend. And this is my chicken that will be going down with this tomato chicken stew. Guys, go and try adding a bit of green pepper in your tomato stew. You will look for me and reward me with the result you will get. So let's go there, guys. 2021 is gonna be a great year for us. Okay, all right, so all well blended together. I will take this to fire now to boil and drain out the excess water. Alright guys, so tomato well cooked and drain out the water. You can see from the distance where it was to here. Now it has reduced a lot and it's so thick now. Alright, so let's start cooking. Be blending my ginger and garlic. This is ginger and garlic. I will blend them together now to mix my chicken. Alright guys, so this is the blended ginger and garlic. Happy New Year, guys. So this is our New Year delicacy. So we are gonna prepare it special way. It's our 2020 of big things. Alright, so adding my bay leaf for that beautiful aroma. This chicken is gonna be very rich. I'm adding my thyme. My dry rosemary. Salt. My special multi-purpose seasoning. If you want to know the secret of this seasoning, allow me. Okay. I just want seasoning cube. I don't even want much because I already got everything desired. So right now I'm gonna mix it together. Alright guys, so how to mix this one? Mix it. not gonna add water. Allow this to steam. Allow it to steam. Allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Right guys, so chicken is ready. It's already, so I'm sieving it out. I will be taking this out. Chicken stock left. Chicken stock left in here. So I'll sieve out this. Have to sieve this out with a filter, so I won't be having these particles in my stew. You won't be needing all this. I won't be needing all this in my stew. It has done its own purpose. These are the condiments: the ginger, garlic, rosemary, pepper, thyme. It has served its own purpose, so I'm disposing this. I'll just be needing only the stock. Okay guys, so let's practice. Fry this one. Fry this for about 15 minutes. Alright, so this stew is almost about getting ready. When the oil starts floating this way, is almost there. So now I'm gonna add my spices. That's my multi-purpose style spice. Salt. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my chicken. Still not get there yet. Still gonna fry this one. Remember, I always stir it at intervals so that it will not get burnt. So I'm still gonna allow it to fry. It's still gonna fry. Okay guys, so at this point the stew is ready. No excess oil. It's so ready. So I will dish it out now. My chicken tomato stew. Hey guys, happy new year. This is the rice I just prepared, and this is a delicious stew. If you eat this stew, this year will be so good for you because the stew is so very delicious. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please subscribe to this channel. Welcome to 2021, our year of delicious meal in Item 7 deals. Bye bye. See you next time, guys.